Integration by partial fractions is a technique to simplify this into a series of smaller fractions and then just integrate. But since they're such simple fractions, then it just becomes a natural log, and it's very, very easy. So it's just doing partial fractions like I normally would in a beginning algebra class, and then at the end I just integrate this stuff. So it's pretty simple. There's really not a whole lot to explain, so I'll just do this example because there really isn't a whole lot else to talk about. So I'm going to begin. Basically all of this stuff is going to be algebra work from a long time ago, and then the only thing that pertains to calculus is just some simple things at the end, but I'll go ahead and do it anyways. So I'll begin by simplifying the bottom part. So I can plot an x. Let's do that over here. And I need to factor this. 2 times 2 is minus 4. So I'll use 4 and minus 1 to get 3. Okay, and then I get 2x minus 1, x plus 2. Okay, so this, I'm just going to ignore this symbol for now. So this fraction is, let me move down here, x squared plus 2x minus 1, x, 2x minus 1, x plus 2. And then if I start dividing this up into partial fractions, yep. So now I'm just going to multiply a by the other two, b by the other two, and c by the other two. So this will be equal to a times, yeah, as you can see, this is just not very difficult. It's just a lot of just annoying algebra work that you're just probably going to make a mistake on. And it's just not really worth your time to be practicing all these. It's just a really, really simple idea. Alright, so I got that. Now I'm just going to, it's going to be, I got to set it equal to this top part over here. Whatever, I'm going to move this out of the way. That was x squared plus 2x minus 1, I think. Yep. Unfortunately, this is a very easy one. I can put in x is equal to 0. It'll eliminate these two terms. And I will basically be able to put in some x, and it will eliminate the other two terms for all of these. It's not always going to be that way. Sometimes I'll have to set up a systems of equations, but y'all should know that from the other one, from beginning algebra. You can go back and review that. I think I did one a while ago. Just search it, and that will tell you everything you need to know about that. Alright, so I'm just going to do x is equal to 0 first. That's really easy. So I'll get 0, I'll get minus 1 is equal to, and these two will be 0. So I'll get a times, that'll be 0, minus 1, that'll be 0, 2, minus 1 is equal to minus 2a, a is equal to 1/2. So that one is really easy. So next one we'll say x is equal to minus 2. Let's do that one. So that will eliminate the a term. Oh no, minus 2. Well, yeah, we'll do minus 2. We'll do the 1/2 one next. So that'll eliminate the a term, that'll eliminate the b term, and I'll just be left with the c term. So I'll get this is 4, this is minus 4, minus 1. This is minus 4, minus 5, positive 10. So c is equal to, these just cancel out. C is equal to minus 1/10. And I'll finally do the, and I don't have any space, but so what am I missing? X is equal to 1/2. X is equal to 1/2. So 1/2 squared. 1/2. And someone just Facebook messaged me. Oh yeah, what am I doing? This is going to be gone. This one will be gone, so I'll just be left with B. Yep. So this will be B times 1/2, and this will be 4, so 5 over 2. So I'll multiply this, and I'll get B is equal to, what's that, 4 over 20, so 1/5. So I'm going to get that this whole fraction thing, what was it? Oh no, let's do this. Now I need to make it more complicated than it is. So A was what was it? Is like 1/2 or something? Yeah, it was 1/2. Times 1 over x plus 1/5 times, that was the 1 over, that was the 2/1, right? Yeah. Just wanted to make sure. I didn't want to come all the way here to make a mistake. It's annoying. And then this was, oh yeah, minus 1/10. And now I basically just integrate this stuff. This was the integral, so now I just integrate all this stuff. I just integrate them individually, so this one's really easy. this is going to be equal to 1/2 ln x. See, they're all going to be natural logs. That's why it's really easy. I mean, you can kind of just skip all the way to the end, because that's the part where we're going to be applying calculus. But I mean, this part's so ridiculously easy, it just didn't seem right to leave out the other stuff. So this would be the natural log of 2x minus 1, but with the chain rule I multiply by 2, so I have to divide by 2. So this would be plus 1, so this becomes 1/10. That's my point. And then this is just the natural log of x plus 2, and plus c. So yeah, this is the indefinite integral. Partial fractions are very easy. You can see that it's just a lot of work that's really unrelated to calculus. The only bit of calculus we did was just integrating all this stuff at the end, and that was the easiest part. So as far as calculus is concerned, this really isn't a difficult calculus problem. It's an irritating algebra problem. I mean, I like doing them because it just makes a big mess and it's fun, but I mean, if you're actually trying to learn something useful, it's useful for integration, but it's as far as the calculus skills are concerned, it's not really much calculus. It's just algebra problems.